The iCloud family sharing not working might occur unexpectedly. Now, check out this video to know the fixes when you are up against this puzzling question. Section 2. How to share iCloud storage with family. In iPhone settings, go to Family Sharing, add family member, invite via AirDrop, mail, or messages. Upon acceptance, revisit Family Sharing. Check their storage in iCloud Plus under More to Share. Remove if necessary. Section 3. Family sharing iCloud storage not working? Fix it with 9 tips. Tip 1. Set up family sharing properly. On iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, Family Sharing. Set up your family. On Mac, open System Preferences, click Family, and select Set up family sharing to add members. Tip 2. Keep iOS up to date. Go to your phone settings, Software Updates. Tap Download and Install if there is an update available. Touch Install Now and provide your device passcode. Agree to the given terms and conditions. Tip 3. Check iCloud storage each family member uses. macOS 13 or newer. Apple Menu System Settings, Family, Subscriptions, iCloud Plus. iOS 16 or later. Settings, Family Subscriptions, iCloud Plus. Tip 4. Log out and log into your iCloud account. Open your iPhone settings, your name, sign out. Input your Apple ID details and tap Turn off. Choose what data types you want to maintain a copy of on this iPhone. Click Sign out again. Wait for a while and sign into your account back. Tip 5. Remove and add back family members. Proceed to your iPhone settings, your name, family sharing. Then, choose the Stop Using Family Sharing option. Rejoin the plan by obtaining an invitation from one of your family members. Head to Family Sharing and pick the Add Member option. Tip 6. Back up and restore your iOS device. Connect iPhone or iPad to PC or Mac via USB. Open iTunes Windows or Finder Mac. Select your device. Go to Summary. Backup before restoring. After restoration, set up from scratch. Follow on-screen instructions to restore from backup. Tip 7. Add a valid payment. On iOS, in Settings, Your Name, Payment, and Shipping, add a payment method. On Mac, in System Settings, Your Name, Payment, and Shipping, follow instructions to add a payment method. Tip 8. Force restart iPhone. Force rebooting your iPhone will fix the minor glitch on the device, and in doing so, you may have the opportunity to fix iCloud storage family sharing not working. Tip 9. Factory reset iPhone. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings, confirm, and restart to resolve iCloud family sharing issues. If Find My iPhone is enabled, enter your Apple ID and password. Section 4. Utilize iCloud alternative to backup iOS data smoothly. For secure iPhone backup or file sharing, it's wise to avoid iCloud storage sharing. It enhances privacy and is more reliable than iCloud. Users often choose alternatives, like Mobikin Assistant for iOS to backup iPhone data. How to backup your iPhone to Windows 10 with Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Let the tool recognize your iPhone. Step 2. View and pick what you want to back up. Step 3. Backup iPhone to the computer. This tool offers a one-click backup and restore feature, allowing you to efficiently back up your iPhone to the computer in batches. To use it, navigate to Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup and Restore Backup. Select your iPhone, choose a backup location, click OK.